What's up, ladies and gentlemen? Today is March 28th, 2025. Oh man, I've been doing this since about 7 o'clock this morning programming. I've gotten up for coffee and that's about it. So I'm lit. Hey, just want to show you what I've been working on today. It was a continuation of what I was working on yesterday. So yesterday, let me see if I can pull up the other trade plotting that I had. Okay, so what I'm doing is I'm trying to plot the trades that I am taking on the prop firm account, so I'm able to input those into my system. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so the formatting is a little bit different, right? But you see that, and like I said, I changed some things, I updated some things. I'm not sure which one I like now, but see how the trades are off a little bit? Well, that's because I have the current one right? So the one that I was working on yesterday, it was actually a little bit wrong. So it wasn't centered vertically. It was displaced down. So that's why these trades are off a little bit. But essentially what I was doing, so I told you yesterday that I was able to pull up the trades. But what I was pulling up was the orders, right? So I could see here that I had an opening trade and I had a closing trade, but I didn't know whether or not I went long here or whether or not I went short here for a loss. So I had to figure out how to get the right information so that I could make a program that would show me if I went long or short. So hence, we have the new program that I programmed today. And so this uses the actual trade information, which is a little bit different from the order information, but this uses the trade information, and you see my formatting is a little bit different, it's larger. But with the trade information, it did show me whether or not I went long or short, right? So here I can see that I entered, so the O is for entered, the X is for exited. So here I went short and I got stopped out for $60 loss. So again, I was able to add more information because I was using the right data set. Okay, so here I went short and that was a good trade. I exited here for $41, and then I also on the same bar went long and I held that until over here where I exited for $35. And then I took a short scalp, exited here. I know, bad entry. I entered here for a long, exited here for another $20, and I think that was it. I think I said, you know what, I'm starting to do this scalping stuff. I'm buying at the top of a market. I need to consider well enough, and so that's what I did. All right, so that was, I hadn't uploaded the trades from today yet, but what I worked on today was a risk reward tool. So here is the risk reward tool. So I'm using a form, and I'm going to modify this quite a bit. But essentially, I have an entry time. I'll have my average entry price, a profit target, and a stop loss. And then I can choose whether or not I'm going to go short or go long. When I change going short or going long, it flips my reward risk, right? So if I say that I want to get in here at 56.12, change my entry to 56.12, and then my profit target will make that, we'll say that we're going to go long. We'll make our profit target here at 56.22. And then our stop loss down here at 56.04. Okay, what did I do here? Stop loss 56.04. Average entry, entry is 56.12. 56.22. Okay. All right, there we go. All right, so that would be essentially my risk. Oh, no, I've got it clicked on short, right? So I need to change that. Oh, you can't see my, hang on, let me see if I can make it so that you can see this tool here, the form. Radar screen. All right, I tell you what I can do. I can put it on this main screen and then I'll just drag it over. So we'll put it here, bring this over, then we'll put this here. Okay, so this is the form that was created with the program that I made, and so I'm just taking the data from this box, and like I said, I can put in my entry time. Say I get in here at 14:19. Now, it took me a while to kind of get through this this time, the converting the time to the right. Oh, it's not 14:19, it's 16:19. Getting the time to the right conversion so that we don't have any issues there. All right, so again, here 16:19 would be my entry time, and then I put my average entry price at 56.12, target at 22, and stop loss at 56.04. So that's what it looks like, and then I can just change my profit target on the fly, kind of here. And as I change it, it changes. Oh, but that's what I was saying is I have clicked here that I want to go short, and that's why we have blue here. So just uncheck that, and then it flips that. Shows that we are at risk of reward of 39, a risk of 40, so roughly a 1-to-1. I have these locked so that I can't drag them, and I think I want to keep it that way. And you see this updates with each bar as well. But yeah, I don't want to unlock it. Well, I think if I manually unlocked it, it'll probably do something funny. Yeah. So even with it being manually unlocked, it's not set up to automatically read that highest point there. And when we get a new bar, it's probably going to reset back to where it was down here, because that is the value that is in this box here. So yeah, I don't have it set up to where I can drag and drop this box, and I don't want to. I want to leave my when I have a strategy set, I want to leave it alone and not keep messing with it. So anyway, let's see this change on this next bar. And like I say, it should reset. There we go. It reset it updated the end time, but it didn't reset the price. The price as far as being 56.28. So if we wanted to put 56.28, we could, and then that would move our price and everything like that. Yeah, I don't know if I want to change. Like I said, I don't plan on unlocking it anyway. But this was quite a this booger was a lot. This took a lot because, like I said, you had to modify the time right here. I'll just kind of show you. You had to modify the time. You had to create a time, which I created from the year, the month, the day, and then I just put in the hour and the minute from this here. So I'll have to look back over it and make sure that I have everything just right, but it's yeah. So I got the hour and the minute from the text, from this text here. This text gives me, I put it in a EL time format, so that's how I got the hour and the minute. This, as far as being this day, this would need to be, I need to do something else because tomorrow this is going to change, so I need to fix this. All right, but anyway, I won't bore you with trying to fix it right now. I won't. But I think you should be able to do something simply like date time dot current date time dot today dot month. But honestly, I don't know what format that puts it in. If that puts it in the in a string format or a 0 to 12 format. So this would be day. See if I verify it. Draw it. Yeah, so it's giving me another day. No, 1340. It's giving me today. Okay. So that's right then. So that's what I want. And voila, just like that, I fixed that. Okay. All right, guys. Well, that's about all I've got for you today. Like I said, this took me the better part of 4 hours to do. The other program that I showed you took me the better part of 4.5 hours to do. So again, I'm not a professional programmer. I just enjoy the challenge. So anyway, I'm Eric. I'm out. Peace.